Hello friends, today we are going to learn about JavaScript loops. So, what are the loops? Loops provide a quick and easier way to do something repeatedly, or in other words, we can say looping in programming language is a feature which facilitates the execution of a set of instruction or a function repeatedly while some condition is evaluated to true. So, what are the types of loop? In JavaScript, there are mainly two types of loop. They are entry control loop or exit control loop. In so the entry control loops are the type of loop which test the conditions before entering the loop body, and some of the entry control loops are for loop and while loop are known as an entry control loop, and the exit control loop is the type of loop that tests the conditions or evaluate it at the evaluate the condition or evaluate the condition at the end of the loop of the body. Therefore, the loop body will execute at least once, irrespective of whether the test condition is true or false. So, exit control loops are do while loop, which is the exit control loop. So, while loop. Before starting a while loop, want to tell you that JavaScript mainly provides three ways for executing the loops, while all the other ways provide basic functionalities that differ in their syntax and condition checking time. So the first one loop is while loop. A while loop is a control flow statement that allows code to be executed repeatedly based on a given Boolean condition. Or the syntax of the while loop is as follows. So how does the while loop work? So while loop starts with the checking of a condition. If it evaluates to true, then the loop body statement are executed. Otherwise, the first statement following the loop is executed. For this reason, it is called the entry control loop. Once the condition is evaluated to true, the statement in the loop body are executed. Normally, the statement contains an update value for the variable being processed for the next iteration. When the condition becomes false, the loop terminates, which marks the end of its life cycle. So, in such a way, the loop while loop works. As the second one is the for loop. So the for loop provides a conscious way of writing the for loop structure. Unlike a while loop, for statement consumes the initialization condition or increment as decrement in one line, thereby providing a shorter or easier to debug the structure of looping. So the syntax of the for loop is as follows. So how does the for loop work? As the initialize condition, first of all the for loop initialize the condition. Here we initialize the variable in use. It makes the start for a loop for loop. An already declared variable can be used, or a variable can be declared locally to the loop only. Then the condition is test. So in testing condition, it is used for testing the exit condition. For a loop, it must return a boolean value. It is also an entry control loop, as as the condition is checked prior to the execution of the loop statement. So after that, if the mm, test condition evaluated to true, then the statement is executed. Once the condition is evaluated true, the statement in the loop are executed, and after that the execution has been finished. The incremental decrement is used for updating the variable for the next iterations, and loop terminate when the condition become false. The loop terminate, making the end of the its life cycle. In such a way, a for loop works. So the next one is a for loop for in loop. So JavaScript also provide another version of a for loop that is known as a for in loop. The for in loop provides a simple way to iterate through the properties of object. Or the syntax of the for in loop is as follows. So when we are working with the objects, the for in loop is mostly used with the objects to iterate their property and all. So do while loop. The another loop is do while loop. Do while loop is similar to the while loop, with only difference that it checks the condition before after executing the statement, and the while loop check the condition before the execution of the statement. And therefore the do while loop is an example of exit loop. So the syntax of the do while loop is as follows. So how does the do while loop work? Do while loop starts with the execution of the statement. There is no checking for condition for the first time. After the execution of the statement and update of the variable value, the condition is checked for true or false value. If it is evaluated to true, the next iteration of the loop starts. When the condition becomes false, the loop terminates, which marks the end of the life cycle of the do while loop. It is important to note that the do while loop will execute its statement at least once before any condition is checked, and therefore it is an example of exit loop control.